Welcome back to our channel, and we'll provide you useful health and wellness information. In today's video, we'll talk about an issue that affects many people, particularly men: low testosterone symptoms and what testosterone is. You've come to the right place if you've been feeling weird lately or fear you may have low testosterone levels. We'll look at the symptoms, causes, and potential remedies. So, let's get started. Before we get started on the symptoms, let's first define testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that is mostly found in men, while women have tiny levels of it as well. It is essential for various biological activities such as muscular growth, bone density, and red blood cell synthesis. It also has an impact on mood, libido, and energy levels. Now that we've defined testosterone, let's look at the indications and symptoms of low testosterone levels. Remember that having one or two of these symptoms does not necessarily indicate that you have low testosterone. However, if you experience a combination of these symptoms on a regular basis, you should see a doctor for a proper diagnosis. Decreased energy levels. Feeling constantly fatigued or lacking energy even after a good night's sleep can be a potential indicator of low testosterone. Reduced libido. If you've noticed a significant decline in your sex drive or a lack of interest in sexual activities, it could be related to low testosterone levels. Loss of muscle mass. Testosterone contributes to muscle development and maintenance, so if you're experiencing unexplained muscle loss or difficulty in building muscle despite regular exercise, it might be due to low testosterone. Increased body fat. Low testosterone can lead to an increase in body fat, particularly around the abdomen area. If you've noticed a change in your body composition without any major lifestyle changes, it's worth considering. Mood changes. Testosterone plays a role in regulating mood, and low levels can contribute to feelings of irritability, depression, or decreased motivation. Reduced bone density. Testosterone helps maintain bone density, so low levels can potentially increase the risk of osteoporosis or bone fractures. Now look at the various causes of low testosterone. A number of reasons can contribute to low testosterone levels, including aging. Testosterone levels naturally decline with age, especially after the age of 30. However, significant drops can lead to noticeable symptoms. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions such as hypogonadism, diabetes, obesity, and hormonal disorders can contribute to low testosterone levels. Medications and treatments. Some medications, including opioids and corticosteroids, can suppress testosterone production. Additionally, certain cancer treatments like chemotherapy can affect testosterone levels. Lifestyle factors, poor diet, lack of exercise, chronic stress, and inadequate sleep can all contribute to imbalances in hormone levels, including testosterone. If you feel you have low testosterone levels, you should seek professional medical assistance right once. A healthcare expert can assess your symptoms, do tests, and recommend the best treatment options for you. Treatment may involve testosterone replacement therapy, lifestyle changes, or treatment for any underlying medical issues. Remember that an accurate diagnosis requires consulting with a healthcare professional. Don't let low testosterone levels interfere with your quality of life. Seek expert advice to take the first step towards understanding and resolving this issue. That's all for today's video on low testosterone symptoms and what testosterone is. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.